Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with another update to the Visitor's Laser Jeep from the TV series V. It's been a while since my last update, but I have made a little bit of progress on it at least. First of all, I've got the body painted. I went with Tamiya Bright White without a clear coat because I wanted it to be gloss white, but not really super high gloss. I wanted it to look like an actual factory Jeep finish. So I've got that done. And chassis-wise, as you can see, I've got the wheels on it now. And these are the kit-supplied wheels, but they're on tires from, I believe, a Redbox diecast truck, which has a little bit wider tread width on them. And the sidewalls have a little bit more of a rounded, realistic look to them. So I wanted to give it more of a street/off-road as opposed to the clunky off-road tires that come in the kit. And I've got the bottom all finished with the full exhaust all hooked up, going right to the exhaust manifold. Got all the shock absorbers on it. So this part is pretty much all done. At this point, I need to finish off the engine, which is basically the accessories up here, the power steering, the alternator, the air pump. I need to do the top end of the engine, and over here need to add the distributor and the wiring. But as you saw when I had the body on, the straight 6 fits in there really nicely. So that is all I've got right now. Like I said, just a small update because progress has been slow, but I've been doing what I can when I can. So hopefully it will not be as long to my next update when I'm going to have the engine finished and we'll hopefully have a bit more of the body painted. So check back then, and thanks for watching.